Wow, guys, look at that. It is a winter wonderland out here, and everyone is walking their dogs in the snow. Kids were sliding down the hill, and it's just snow everywhere. It has been quite some time since we have taken a walk. I used to walk and I would film and I would talk about Manjaro and I would talk about weight loss. But look at that snow. Look how thick it is. It's all the way up to, I'm not sure how many feet that is, but some places are, let me turn the light off. Okay, that'll be better. Some places are a lot worse. We just got snow. Can I just stop and say thank you, Jesus? I mean, look at that sky. It's beautiful. I mean, really, the sky, and it's just clouds, and we just got snow so far. It's just been fluffy, beautiful snow. And kids have been sleigh boarding or sleighing, whatever you want to call it. And it's just been great. And I'm so grateful that we're not slipping and sliding. There's not an issue of ice. But I just thought, why not? Let's take a walk together. I mean, it's like pretty cool. People are walking their dogs and letting their dogs play in the snow. And this is my state only gets a snowstorm like every 2 years. Like 2 years straight will go by and there's no snow. And then on that third year, oh boy, it's coming down. So, yeah, so I'm not going to let any snow stop me from doing my walk. And I did go over in the distance and I cleaned off the cat area where they eat because unfortunately I didn't go down earlier. And hold on a second. Hold on. I didn't go down earlier and a cat came to my window and twice, and I did not feed them because I didn't know they were out there. And I peeped out the window because, yeah, I have my window open. Not both, but one. And I could see that there was a cat at my window. I did feed the birds a little bit because the bread would fall into the snow and only some of the birds would go down and get it. But they were so hungry, y'all. They were so hungry. So I went ahead and I said, I gotta go walking anyway. And so I cleaned off that area over there. So if the cats come back, there's some tuna and some hard food out there. But it's like it's gonna snow again, and I'm just like feeling like, but the food pan was so covered in snow that the cats couldn't get to the food. So I had to dump it out. And so there's like hard food in the snow. So that's great because if a fox or any of the other cats come out again, there'll be hard food in the snow that they can eat. And there will also be hard food in the pan, But like I said, if it snows again tonight and it gets thick or what have you, it will be covered. That food will definitely be covered. So there we go, guys. Loving. Whoops. Yep, that's my shadow. I got my big coat on. Yeah. And some hoodies. Ooh, you gotta dress layers and layers. But look at this. Love it. It's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. And I'm so grateful that the snow plows and the the landscaping companies are out and they're working. They are literally shoveling snow so that we don't have to. And I am so grateful to them. I really am. So shout out to those workers. They all speak Spanish. They're willing to do the job that some of us aren't willing to do. So shout out to all of them. I'm so grateful, for what they do. Oh, and speaking of shout outs, I want to give a shout out to everyone watching this video. Thank you for your support. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for clicking like if you just like this video 1 out of 10. And I want to just give a shout out to May Tipton. I haven't heard from May in a while. A lot's been going on. I put in an order for some custom scripts, just Monday through Sunday, And I'm going to get that new faith kit. So May, if you happen to be looking, watching, thinking about you, girl, missing you. I was looking through my junk journal today, and there was just like so much stuff from Red, so much stuff. Little cards and things that she made me, notes, and and it just brought back a plethora of memories. And so I sent her over a text letting her know, hey, girl, thinking about you, missing you, hoping all that is well. I tried not to purchase too much from her because I knew what she was going through, living in Black Mountain. So I was like, I don't want to, overwhelm her because I would tend to buy a lot of stuff. And so I just like, maybe I better just slack off a little bit, and let her get herself together, get her situation straight, that type of thing. But, I got my faith kit in my cart, and I got, and I made my custom scripts. So if y'all have not checked out Black Mountain Plans, please do, because she has totally revamped. I mean, she's just expanding. She's working like crazy, to really build her business. And it's like, though she doesn't really promote it, too much, like she used to, but you have to like keep checking her website, and there's always something new. Always something new. Well, here is the little place where I always sit, and woo, you think that snow stopped me from sitting? No, I don't think so. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to give a shout out to all the OGs. I appreciate y'all so much. And all of you who are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much. Times change, people change, and it's like, there's people that used to talk to every day, and now you don't even know if they're alive. It's, we change, times change, occurrences, events, things change, and, but it's always good to just let someone know that, hey, I'm thinking about you, and that includes me coming on just to take you guys for a nice walk in the snow and looking at the sky, and it is so, so beautiful to me. I love this. I absolutely love this. I don't know, there's like a peace and a calmness that comes over everything. The lights aren't working, but I don't know. Things slow down. People slow down a little bit when there's snow, at least around here. But I mean, you can still see there's some people walking, because all of that you see there is the back side of shopping centers, grocery stores. So this is Lowe's. So this is the back, because I'm at the hill. So, and then you come down here and there's the strip, there's the shopping centers and all the other places that you want to go to. So I just wanted to hop on and say hello to May, hello to Cherie and Kalani and Lee and Vicky and Alex, and not sure if any of these if you all are going to be watching, but I'm still shouting out to you. Maybe one day you might see this video, who knows. But just I'm hoping and praying that you all have a wonderful new year. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, it's so beautiful. Untouched, no footsteps. Let me turn around. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? Untouched. I love untouched snow. But yeah, so I just wanted to say that I'm wishing you all a happy new year, that I hope things that did not work out last year will work out this year. There's a lot of negative predictions about this year, but I'm focusing on the positive and hoping for the best and preparing for the worst. All right, so y'all have a blessed night, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.